I am out at Charlton Lake. I'm back at Charlton Lake. It's a lot different than last time I was here. Let me show you guys. Last time I was here, it was raining so hard. It's not raining at all now. So I'm going to the same spot that I went last time I was here. I really liked that spot. It was a good spot. And I also, last October when I was here, I left my hat here. Alright, so I'm just going to paddle up to my campsite, get camp set up, and then we'll talk more about what my plans are for the week. Or for the couple days I'll be here. Alright, let's get there. So in complete bonehead fashion, I left something sitting on the shore that's kind of important. My entire cooking kit. We're gonna paddle back about maybe a mile, and hopefully somebody didn't run off with it. It's always a glitch. Always a glitch. Okay, Bonehead Russell has his pouch. This very important thing that he left behind. And he's paddling back to where his campsite will be, and maybe, just maybe, he'll find his hat. Alright, let's go see if my hat's still up here. Oh, darn. Doesn't look like it. Wow. Somebody has used the crap out of this fire pit, though. Look at that. It's all full. Alright. So, this is the campsite. So I'm going to hang up my hammock. Oh, by the way, I'm hammock camping. In case you didn't know. Hang up my hammock between these two trees right here. It's going to be a good week. Good few days there, boys and girls. It's going to be a good few days. Alright, let's go get my stuff. Alright, camp is pretty much set up. I've got my tarp up. I've got my hammock up. For warmth tonight, I'll be using my Outdoor Vitals Aries 20. Still got a little bit of work to do. I got to clean out that fire pit, and then after that I'm just going to go explore a little bit. Not too interested in getting the fire going. I am pretty hungry right now. I haven't eaten really today. It's almost noon. Alright, to work. Last time I was here, I took this picture. The camera was sitting right about where it is right now, and I was sitting here right in front of the fire. You see my Eureka Solitaire tent right behind me, and it was raining so hard. This is the best picture I've ever taken. This is absolutely wonderful. Kayak back out in the water yet. The wind kicked up pretty good. So I've just been hanging out around the campsite. Cut some firewood. Kind of built up the fire pit a little bit better. Hung my Jolly Roger. Let's take a walk down to the water. Can you hear that wind? something fierce right now. So, the last time I was here, I could walk about 15 feet out on dry land. Obviously, it's a little deeper today. Of course, that was October, at the end of beginning of the fall season. So, not too bad now. I might take my kayak out. Not too terrible. Paddle around and explore just a little bit. See what's out there. Alright, so I'm going to make a spoon out of this. Watch and learn. So I put a piece of hot coal at the end. Now we're just going to use it to burn through to make the bowl. It's called a bowl. I don't know what it's called. The spoon part. Alright, so it's getting charred now. We're going to scrape some of the charring off. You see it's already creating a bowl in here. Oh, here we go. It's already creating a bowl in here. So that's what we're looking for. Off quite a bit. There's a lot of work that needs to be done on this. But that's a really good start. It's good and round up there. Just need to, it can be better. So that's what we're going to keep doing for a while. Let's just keep doing this. Just keep carving. Alright, so spoon part is looking pretty good. It's a bit rough, so I need to clean it up just a little bit. What I want to focus on right now, though, before I get to finishing this part, is finishing the handle. I want a nice round handle that I can really get my hand around. Kind of like a handle. A lot of carving on this. Lots of it. I'm just going around in circles. as I'm slicing through. That really helps get things the way I want it. Wood is super soft. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but I am just cutting through it like butter dripping off a hot biscuit. Anybody know what that's from? Butter dripping off a hot biscuit. Nobody knows. I'm saying it right, that's the problem. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I can really get my hand on there like a handle. Need to clean up here a little bit, back here, and then I'll start working on cleaning up the spoon part. The bowl? Bowl? Is that called a bowl? What is this called? What is the little inside of the spoon called? It's called a bowl? I think it's called a bowl. Trying to get all the splinters, things that are sticking up out. But I'm sure I'll get most of them, so. Without damaging my spoon too much. Oh, it's looking pretty good. Very spoon-like. Spoon. What's that from? There you know. Spoon. Alice in Wonderland. So. Now I have a spoon. You can clean it out. But I have a spoon. I have a spoon. 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 A very handle-like handle that I can put my hand on. A handle that I can put my hand on. A hand handle. Alright. This is getting silly. Silly. 15 men on a dead man's chest. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. So I'm out here in the woods drinking hot chocolate that I think my wife and I got about 7 years. Oh my god! Oh, I didn't use the spoon. Oh damn. I have to make more hot chocolate. Anyway, I think this hot chocolate's about 7 years old. Been sitting in my cupboard for that long. Who really could ask for anything more than this? I could be at work. Actually, it's only 8 o'clock, so I wouldn't be at work yet. I go to work at 10 o'clock at night, and I get off most days at 6 o'clock in the morning. This is way cooler than that. So I would have liked to come out here and build a survival shelter. But this is kind of a popular place. I know it's popular, but enough people come here, and I don't want to really take away from their experience here. I know obviously I would tear it down when I'm done, but there's still the matter of the debris that's left behind, the poles or whatnot. So, I'm not going to do that. It would be fun. If I was at a place where I was by myself, oh yeah, definitely. I mean, I am by myself, but a place where nobody went to, 100%, I would build something. I did build a spoon, though. Aye, but we're loved by our mommies and dads. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho! Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. At least they're loved by their mommies and dads. So, for those of you who don't know, I have a son. His name is Killian. He's born on January 23rd, 2015. And he died on January 24th, 2015. And that is kind of the one thing, you know. You always, you're about to have a child. I mean, I went through this whole thing where I just couldn't wait to teach him how to do things, you know, teach him to walk and talk and poop in a big boy toilet. But I also wanted to bring him out here and teach him how to be out here safely and responsibly. But it didn't happen. And it's one of those things that just tears you up. You know, you sit here, you think about that. Okay guys, it's 10 o'clock at night, or after 10 o'clock. I'm tired, I'm gonna go to bed. See you in the morning. So, at about 3:30 this morning, the wind kicked up so hard. It was insane. I actually I thought I was going to lose my tarp over my hammock. I could feel the trees just swaying back and forth, and it went on like that for probably an hour. Oh, it was rough. So I got up about 4:45 or maybe closer to 5. Nope, it's 5 now. So about 4:45. I got the fire going again, and you can see it's already starting to get light out, so that's good. But if this wind doesn't die down, it's going to be a really hard time getting out of here. I can already see the whitecap waves. It's pretty bad. So we're going to wait it out by the fire for a little bit. Maybe when dawn gets a little more into it, the wind will die down and I can pack up and get the hell out. How about I use the spoon I made yesterday to make some hot chocolate this morning. Seems healthy, right? One more for good measure, right? My water's boiling yet. My hands are freezing. It's probably 35 degrees out right now. No, probably 30, more like 35. It's a cold one. hot. It's chocolate. Big surprise there. Isn't there a hot chocolate song? My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Something, 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 something. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Alright, so I don't know if I showed you guys the hammock I'm using. It's kind of a weird design. So, got down at the feet. Got, if I can get in it straight. Got a foot box down here. See right here where my feet are? It's actually not too uncomfortable. I was kind of weirded out by it at first, but it's not too bad. The one problem I did have with it was that my Outdoor Vitals sleeping bag, or mummy bag, or pod, whatever the hell you want to call it, the Aries 20, it sits a little tighter at the feet, so my feet weren't that comfortable last night. And when you press up against the, like, quilt or whatever, it's made to hang a little lower, so it fills that air with warm air, so your butt doesn't get cold. Like mine is getting very cold right now. It didn't work very well with this hammock, but I think for a good summertime lay, this would be fantastic. And the fun part about this hammock is, with this foot box the way it is, down here at the bottom, you can definitely get a flatter lay. You can, if you're really accustomed to laying sideways, like normal, you can totally do this and just keep your boots inside with you. Just put them in the foot box. It would be a kind of a useful thing, I think. Oh, if my butt wasn't so cold, I'd just lay here for a while. Whee! Sorry about this. I'm not gonna stop though. Do you believe this right now? It's freaking snowing. Oh my god, check this out. It is freaking snowing. Check it out. You guys see it? Man, you gotta love Oregon. Pretty warm yesterday, and now it's still snowing a little bit. Check this out. Bunch of mist coming up off the water. Kind of just looking for a decent place to land right now. All right, Charlton Lake, last looks. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Can't believe this weather. I really can't. It's unbelievable. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I will see you next time. Maybe next time it'll be sunny.